drunk and tipsy in the shop. Kal and curry on the house. Vibing with the nut bomb, tripping on a kuttu paatu. In the shop, tripping in Puntupu. Vibing with the thing, chilling with the jungle. People call me Vara, make me so sad. I was only chilling on a bar. I'm happy that I'm young, I'm happy that I'm fun. Indini kanna kadi bye.